A very good morning, class 7. So how are you all? So we have completed up till page number 94, prepositions of place. So I explained to you that prepositions of place, they tell about the position, prepositions. So this is your chapter number 16, chapter 16, right? And we have completed up to preposition of place. So I told you that prepositions, these are used to denote a position. ये आपको position बताते हैं at, in, on, under, below, behind, above, across and all that. So I told you to complete this exercise, try to do this exercise number 3, that is complete the following sentences with appropriate prepositions of place. So now here we are going to start with exercise number 3 at page 95. So the market is situated, we can add here behind the mall also or beside the mall. Behind the mall. Second one, the medicine strip is under the pillow. It can be under the pillow or it can be beside the pillow. Both can be used. Okay. Beside हो जाएगा. It is beside the pillow means pillow के साथ रखी है. Under the pillow, that you have kept that strip under means pillow के नीचे. The money is in the safe. The canteen is beside the library or behind the library. I have used here beside. So behind भी चल सकता है. I have to clear the dust on the computer. Sixth, Manoj stands leaning against the wall. When we are leaning, so we always say against. We will not say on the wall. Leaning on the wall नहीं होता, against the wall. The swimming pool is dash the restaurant and the gym. Is between restaurant and the gym. The hard disk is in the CPU. He is waiting for the train at the metro station. 10. I can see the mansion behind the trees. So with this we have completed exercise number 3. Now we come to the prepositions of moment. Preposition of movement. So what are prepositions of movement? Preposition of movement are used to denote the movement. Direction बताते हैं कि आप किस तरफ जा रहे हैं, या noun or pronoun where it is going. It tells about the direction or the movement. उस तरफ जा रहे हैं या आप किस direction में खड़े हैं, ये सब जो है ये preposition of movement बताता है. तो इसके आ जाते हैं हमारे about, across, off, from, to, towards, into, out, of, around, through, up, past and along. So Jules Verne went about the center of the earth. About the center means center के आसपास. The boy ran across the road. The boy ran across means he has crossed the road. So it is telling you about the movement. The helicopter hovered over the police office complex. The helicopter hovered over. Hovered over means office complex के ऊपर. ठीक है, तो over it is telling you about the direction. ऊपर बता रहा है ना, direction बता रहा है. The rain comes from the clouds. Now it is telling you about the movement. Rain कहाँ से आती है? From the clouds. So it is the movement or the direction. द फ्रूट फेल इनटू द डिच, फेल इनटू किसी चीज़ के बीच में, मूवमेंट जब होती है, व्हेन देयर इज अ मूवमेंट इट इज़ फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, दैट एट दैट टाइम वी यूज इनटू. When a noun changes its position, a teacher enters into the class means she has moved from here till here, so there we use into. The scientist toured around the world. Toured around the world means this, in this sentence it is telling you about the movement. Tom climbed up, direction, climbed up the ladder. The procession went through the town. Went through the town means पूरे town के बीच में से होकर जो है procession निकला है. Procession means जुलूस. The policeman came to the end of the street. जो policeman है वो कहाँ आ गया? Here it is telling you about the direction. At the end of the street. आपको direction बता रहा है कि वो यहाँ पे आ गया है policeman. So it will be clear about the direction or about the movement of that policeman. When you are saying that he is standing at the end of the street, that means it is clear that where he is standing. You know about its whereabout, you know about the direction, you know about the movement of that man. Jane is walking past the mall. Past the mall means he has crossed it. Past the mall, mall से आगे चला गया. So now let's start solving it. Complete the following sentences with appropriate prepositions of movement. This is exercise number 4, page 95. We flew slowly over the suburbs of Paris. Flew, ऊपर उड़ रहे हैं ना आप, तो यहाँ पे आ सकता है flew over. We can use over. We flew slowly over the suburbs of Paris. The dog ran from tree, ran across the tree 5 or 6 times. The dog ran across the tree. Across. I moved the table from the room. The policeman ran towards the crowd. Towards. We watched the soldiers as they marched along the. We watched the soldiers as they marched across. Along भी चलेगा. And they marched along means spectators pavilion के साथ साथ. The children ran into the school building. They walked across the canal. The ants are coming from that burrow. From. 9. We crawled into a hole in the fence. We crawled out a hole. We crawled out. We crawled out a hole. Out of hole. Out of आ सकते हैं. We crawled out of hole. We crawled out of. The cat jumped into my arms. The cat jumped into my arms and ran away. So now we have completed with this. Now we come to the prepositions used after particular words and expressions. Now, prepositions used after particular words and expressions. So it is not always easy to know which preposition to use after a particular noun, verb, or an adjective. So obviously there are so many prepositions. There are prepositions of time, moment, place, travel, direction. So it is not easy to understand that which preposition, which word, which noun, verb, or adjective we have to use. So for instance, the verb agree takes the prepositions with, about, on and to and acquires different meanings. Because जो हमारा verb है agree, उसके साथ हम बहुत सारे prepositions लगा सकते हैं. agree with भी लग जाता है, agree about भी आ जाता है, agree on भी आ जाता है, and agree to भी आ जाता है. So we can use 4 prepositions with the verb agree. And if we are using with, agree to, agree on, agree about, so all these 4 prepositions are giving out the different meanings. क्योंकि उसके पीछे जो हमारे वर्ब के साथ जो preposition लग रहा है, उसके लगने के कारण जो आपका जो preposition है, phrase है ना जो पूरा, उसका meaning change हो जाता है. agree to का meaning अलग है, agree about का अलग होगा, agree with का different meaning होगा. I mean to say this. So like agree with हो जाएगा a person, an opinion or a policy. I entirely agree with you. अगर हम with लगाएंगे तो हम यहाँ पे इसे यूज करेंगे. I agree with you, a person, opinion or a policy. Agree about we use when we are talking about a subject of a discussion, like we agree about most things. जब हम किसी चीज़ की डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं और उसमें हम टॉपिक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, तो देयर वी विल यूज़ वी एग्री अबाउट मोस्ट सब्जेक्ट्स, मोस्ट थिंग्स, कि हमारी जो है बातचीत जो है उसमें हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों पे एग्री कर रहे हैं. एग्री ऑन अ मैटर फॉर डिसीजन. लेट्स ट्राई टू एग्री ऑन अ डेट. अ मैटर फॉर डिसीजन, जब आपने कोई डिसीजन लेना है तो हम एग्री ऑन यूज़ कर सकते हैं. लेट्स agree on some date. Let's try to agree on a date means चलिए we try to agree on a date, कि हम एक डेट पे एग्री होने की ट्राई करते हैं. एग्री टू सजेशन देना. एग्री टू मीन्स टू गिव अ सजेशन. लाइक आई एग्री टू योर सजेशन ऑफ बाइंग अ कार. आई एग्री means I liked your suggestion of buying a new car. So when you say I agree to means you are accepting the suggestion, the other one is giving it to you. Words followed by the preposition, so you have to learn all these by heart. Read it. Accuse somebody of something. She accused me of stealing her plant. Accused के साथ of लगेगा when you are accusing somebody of stealing something. Afraid के साथ of लगाएंगे हम. Angry with. I am angry with her. I am angry at her misconduct. Angry with होगा person for doing, कोई गलत काम कर रहा है. Agree with and at दोनों लग सकते हैं. We can use agree with and we can use agree at also. So here I am angry with you and I am angry at her misconduct. तो angry के साथ with भी लग जाएगा और at भी लग जाएगा. Anxious about, worried about. I am getting anxious about my syllabus or my grades or anything. Apologize to somebody for. I think we should apologize to our neighbors for our rude behavior. So when you have to apologize, you feel sorry, you want to feel sorry about something you have done. So there we use apologize to. Arrive at or in. What time do you arrive at the resort in Ooty? Arrive के साथ हम at लगाएंगे when you are reaching at some place. Arrive at the resort in Ooty means when we are talking about some city. So there we will use in, and when we are talking about some place, so there we will use at. Believe in. I believe in life after death. When you believe in something that exists. Belong to, I belong to local athletics club. Means belong to means here it means a member of. Then we come to clever at. I'm not very clever at cooking. Means here it's an adjective, means you are not good at cooking. Here it means clever doesn't means here कि आप बहुत चालाक हैं cooking में. No. Here it means it is denoting the meaning that you are not very good at cooking. Here it means this. Congratulate on something means he congratulated me on my success. Depend upon. He do not depend upon him. Means to rely on something. आप किसी पे अगर dependent होते हैं, there we use depend upon. Delighted with greetings. He was delighted with her greetings. I was delighted at your success. Delight in enjoyment from standing. I took great delight in singing. Delight in means जब आपको किसी चीज़ से बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी मिल रही है. So there you will use delight in. I feel delighted in going there. मुझे वहाँ जाकर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Deprive of, to take away from something. किसी चीज़ से जब आप किसी को अलग कर देते हैं, there we use deprive of. The prisoners are deprived of basic human rights. Despair of. He did not despair of achieving his goal despite many obstacles. He did not give up. To give up, despair of means he has given up the hope. उसको कोई hope नहीं है. He is feeling hopeless there that whether he will be able to achieve his goal or not. So here we will use he did not despair of achieving his goal. Means he has given up hope. Die of a disease or die from the effect of something. Many people died of pandemic. The pandemic which is going on. Which pandemic is going on nowadays? COVID-19. So we can use this in our sentence that many people died of pandemic COVID-19. Or Charles' dog died from an accident, not with an accident, from an accident. Differ with or differ from. My team leader differs with me on this topic, on many issues or on this topic. और my views differ from those of hers. मेरे जो opinion है वो उससे differ करते हैं. Due to, because of, there we give the reason. Postal delays were caused due to heavy rains. Yeah, I couldn't come to school due to the uncertainty of metros. Eligible for, when you are fit for something, so you will use that word here, use that preposition. Inquire of a person, I inquired of him. जब आप किसी चीज़ के बारे में पूछते हैं, of a person, okay. I inquired about his health, I inquired of him. About, into, so we can use inquired of, inquired about, inquired into. Inquired of him, person के लिए हम inquired of. About his health, जब हम health की बात कर रहे हैं, about his character भी हम लिख सकते हैं. I inquired about his character. So there we use inquire के साथ about. And here the police inquired into the land dispute case, या police inquired into this murder case. So we can use 3 prepositions with inquire, of, about and into. Enter into an agreement. जब आप किसी agreement में किसी के साथ agree करते हैं, there we use enter into agreement. Like the school entered into an agreement with the book publishing company. हमारे स्कूल ने किसी publishing company के साथ agreement किया है, so there we will use this preposition enter into agreement. Entitled to, are we entitled to leave travel allowance? Entitled to means when you claim somebody, claim something for. आपको ये पूछना है कि क्या मैं ये claim कर सकता हूँ, क्या मैं ये ले सकता हूँ चीज़, ये मेरे लिए क्या accessible है. So there we use entitled to. Exchange, exchange हो जाता है for. He exchanged Indian currency, किसी चीज़ को exchange करना है, ये देकर दूसरी चीज़ ले लेना. So there we use exchange for. Excuse for. Neela has no excuse for her mistakes. जब आपके पास कोई एक्सक्यूज़ नहीं है, आप किसी चीज़ के लिए या तो कुछ आप एक्सक्यूजेस दे रहे हैं, सो देयर वी यूज़ एक्सक्यूज़ फॉर. फॉन्डनेस फॉर, हिज फॉन्डनेस फॉर गेम्स अफेक्टेड हिज स्टडीज़. तो जो उसकी फॉन्डनेस है गेम्स के लिए, उससे उसकी स्टडीज़ को बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट हुआ है. फ्रीडम फ्रॉम, हेल्दी डाइट्स गिव्स अस फ्रीडम फ्रॉम डिजीजेस या फ्रॉम द वीकनेस ऑफ द बॉडी. सो देर आर सो मेनी, सो यू हैव टू रीड इट योर सेल्फ. चलिए मैं समझा देती हूँ. ग्रीफ एट, द मदर फेल्ट ग्रीफ एट द डेथ ऑफ हर चाइल्ड. The mother felt grief at the death of her child means here we are grieving at somebody's loss of a person. जब हम किसी की डेथ के लिए वर्ड यूज़ करेंगे, so we will use here grief at. No one should keep hatred for anyone means हमें किसी के लिए भी hatred नहीं रखनी चाहिए. hatred for anyone means किसी के लिए भी hatred नहीं रखनी चाहिए. hair to HEIR, it's not this hair, ये वाले हेयर नहीं हैं, इसके स्पेलिंग डिफरेंट है. HEIR, हेयर. टू, यहाँ पे जो हेयर है इट कैन बी यूज्ड एज दी मीन्स, जैसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं उत्तराधिकारी. सो प्रिंस और अ प्रिंसेस, और कोई मुझे वर्ड अभी याद नहीं आ रहा है इसका. हेयर मीन्स जब सपोज देर इज़ अ किंग एंड after that king who will take over the kingdom, so that child, prince or princess, will be called as a heir. The princess is heir to the throne, so here the sentence is also princess, क्योंकि maybe if the prince if the king does not have a son, so the princess will be the heir to the throne means throne पे princess बैठेगी. Influence on or upon someone, what is the influence of television on children? इन्फ्लुएंस, किसी चीज़ का इफेक्ट होना. इन्विटेशन टू, शी हैज़ सेंट अस एन इन्विटेशन टू डिनर. इन्विटेशन के साथ हम टू लगाएंगे अक्सर. इन्विटेशन टू डिनर. इग्नोरेंट ऑफ, इग्नोरेंट होता है जब आपको कोई चीज़ का नहीं मालूम है, यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट दैट. देयर यू कैन से दैट आई वॉज इग्नोरेंट अबाउट दिस इशू, मुझे इस चीज़ के बारे में नहीं मालूम था. इल विद, Manorama is ill with fever. Suppose we say na she was ill, so we can further add it that कैसे ill थी वो, क्या हुआ था उसे. So you can write down she was ill with fever or she was ill with so yes, we were discussing about here. So we were here at leniency. What is leniency? Leniency is when we are liberal about something. हम किसी को we are not strict with something, strict about something. So there we use lenient, right? So leniency means don't show too much leniency to children. Means we should be a bit strict with the children. We should not be so lenient. Means इतना ज़्यादा बच्चों को leniency मत दो. Longing for, the refugees have a longing for their native land. Longing for means they are waiting, they are eagerly waiting for that thing. Neglect of, Shrey has been suspended for his neglect of duty. When you don't do your work, when you neglect your duties, so there we use this word neglect, right? Obedience to, obedience बना है बच्चे word obedient से. Obedient is when you ओबे से बना है. तो जब आप ओबे करते हैं रूल्स को, रेगुलेशंस को, अपने एल्डर्स को, सो देयर ये वर्ड इज मेड फ्रॉम द बेसिक वर्ड इज ओबे. सो ओबीडियंस टू मीन्स व्हेन यू आर, आई अप्रिशिएट योर ओबीडियंस टू योर पेरेंट्स मीन्स you are obedient to your parents, so there we use obedience to like this. Pity for, everyone felt pity for the flood victims. Pity for, pity means किसी पर दया करना. Prejudice against, the boss has a prejudice against his assistants. What is prejudice? Prejudice is बच्चे, it's a presumption कह लीजिए आप, but you will not understand this word. Presumption is when you form an opinion about a person without knowing that person properly. आपने किसी को देखा, you met somebody for the first time and you felt that this person is very proud. उसकी जो looks हैं आपको proud लगी और आपने ये opinion बना लिया that he is a proud person, right? So that is a prejudice. So means I was prejudiced against that new teacher. मैंने पहले से ही सोच लिया, मैंने पहले से ये assumption कर ली कि वो तो proud है. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रेजुडिस, जब आप पहले से अपना एक ओपिनियन बना लेते हैं किसी दूसरे इंसान को अच्छे से जाने बगैर. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रेजुडिस. सो हियर द बॉस हैज़ अ प्रेजुडिस अगेंस्ट हिज असिस्टेंट. मीन्स बॉस को ऐसा लगता है कि जो असिस्टेंट है वो अच्छा नहीं है. तो जो बॉस है उसने एक ओपिनियन बना लिया अपने, ही इज प्रेजुडिस अगेंस्ट हिज असिस्टेंट्स. क्वारल विद, लड़ाई करना. रेपुटेशन फॉर, दे हैव एंजॉयड अ ग्रेट रेपुटेशन फॉर ऑनेस्टी. रेपुटेशन होता है बच्चे जब आपकी सोसाइटी में या सिटी में या जो भी कह लीजिए आपकी बहुत इज्जत हो, ठीक है ना. सो देयर वी यूज़ रेपुटेशन. सो योर स्कूल, मॉडर्न सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल हैज़ अ वेरी गुड रेपुटेशन इन बहादुरगढ़ सिटी. मीन्स इस स्कूल की बहुत अच्छी रेपुटेशन है. सो देयर वी कैन यूज़ दिस सेंटेंस. सब्सक्रिप्शन, आई कैंसल माई सब्सक्रिप्शन टू द मैगजीन. सब्सक्रिप्शन होता है जब आप किसी चीज़ के लिए, सपोज़ आपने कोई मैगज़ीन लगानी है तो आप उनके एडिटर को लिखेंगे एप्लीकेशन और सब्सक्राइब कर देंगे कि मेरी ये वीकली एप्लीकेशन घर आती रहे. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सब्सक्रिप्शन. आपने सब्सक्राइब कर दिया दैट whether the magazine is weekly or monthly or bi-monthly. So if you have subscribed that magazine, so that magazine will come accordingly to will be delivered to your home. So that is called subscription. Sympathy for someone, you should have sympathy for the poor. Sympathy means दया करना सबके साथ. Taste for, he developed a taste for poetry. Taste for here means it is not कि आप कोई चीज़ खा रहे हैं उसका taste. Taste for poetry means interest. Like I have a taste for teaching. मुझे teaching अच्छी लगती है. तो कोई चीज़ जब आपको अच्छी लगती है तो आप ये preposition वहाँ यूज़ कर सकते हैं. It is a phrase. Prepositional phrases हैं ये सारे. So we can say he developed a taste for poetry or I have a taste for teaching. Traitor. Traitor to, never become a traitor to your country. Traitor होता है जब आप स्पाई बन नॉट स्पाई. ट्रेटर होता है जब आप अपनी, when you are not loyal to your institution, to your country, to your society. जब आप अपनी कंट्री से लॉयल नहीं हैं तो आप उस इंसान को ट्रेटर बोलते हैं. मीन्स जो अपनी इंस्टीट्यूशन की, अपनी कंट्री की इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन दूसरी कंट्री को देता है. मुझे हिंदी में वर्ड नहीं याद आ रहा कि इसको क्या बोलते हैं. ट्रेटर. तो जो मीन्स आपकी इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन कंट्री की दूसरों को देता है उसको हम ट्रेटर कहते हैं. लाइक धोखेबाज नहीं होता, कुछ और वर्ड होता है इसके लिए जो मुझे भी दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा. तो मैंने आपको वैसे समझा दिया कि जो इम्पोर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन अपनी कंट्री की दूसरे कंट्री को देता है खुफिया तरीके से. सो दोज पर्सन्स आर कॉल्ड एज ट्रेटर. विक्टिम ऑफ, दे बिकम द विक्टिम ऑफ देयर ओन ट्रैप. विक्टिम ऑफ मीन्स आप उस चीज़ के उस चीज़ में आप फंस गए खुद ही. आप उसी चीज़ के खुद ही आपने जाल बिछाया होगा किसी के लिए और आप उसमें ही खुद ही फंस गए. तो जो मेन जो पर्सन होता है जो फंस जाता है या जो जिसको कुछ हुआ है उसको हम विक्टिम बोलते हैं. So fill in the blanks with the appropriate prepositions from the ones given in the brackets. He sat. Now we will complete this exercise number 5. It is on page number 98. So he sat at the table to write a letter. He sat at the table. टेबल के आप ऊपर नहीं बैठते हैं. एट द टेबल मीन्स टेबल पे बैठे हैं आप. वी रेस्टेड अंडर द ट्री. Below the tree, under is more suitable. We rested under a tree. They have troubled us from the beginning. Come and sit beside me. एक है beside और एक है besides. There is a difference. Beside होता है जिसमें s नहीं लगा हुआ है. विदाउट एस जो बिसाइड है दैट मीन्स नेक्स्ट टू यू, आपके बिल्कुल साथ. बिसाइड्स मीन्स अपार्ट, इसके अलावा. आई एट पिज़्ज़ा बिसाइड्स बर्गर चिप्स एंड सो ऑन. तो मीन्स मैंने इन चीज़ों के अलावा पिज़्ज़ा भी खाया. ठीक है, तो वहाँ हम लगाएंगे बिसाइड्स एस वाला. फिफ्थ, someone is knocking at the door. So with this we have completed this lesson prepositions, and I hope it is quite clear to you. So you have to revise it. So after we complete the syllabus, so I'm going to give you the assignments for each and every topic, right?